y'all doing? So I'm going to do the Ruffles Smokehouse BBQ taste test today. So we'll see how these taste. It's barbecue, so they should at least taste decent, right? Let's see how these taste. Actually pretty good. Flavor could be better, but I mean, flavor's good. The only thing that could be better, I mean, is have a little more spice to it. Overall, not bad. I wouldn't say they're the best, but still pretty good. So check them out if you can find them. So I mean, I wouldn't. Hold on. I wouldn't say that they're super great, but somewhere in the middle, you know. I mean, if they're on sale, grab them. I wouldn't pay full price for them. They're not that good, but check them out. Anyways, I'm gonna film one more video for the day to drop, and I'll see y'all next time.